Hello everyone. Today I am going to share some informations regarding Covaxin. What is Covaxin? India's COVID-19 vaccine candidate. How long before approval? India's COVID-19 vaccine candidate Covaxin. How does Covaxin compare to other vaccine candidates around the world? These are all today we are going to discuss. Developers. Covaxin, India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine by Bharat Biotech, is developed in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR, and National Institute of Virology. The indigenous inactivated vaccine is developed and manufactured in Bharat Biotech BSL-3, that is Biosafety Level 3, High Containment Facility. An inactivated vaccine. The vaccines can broadly be categorized into two types, inactivated and live vaccine. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin vaccine falls under the category of inactivated vaccines. In such vaccines, the pathogen is deactivated so that it can no longer cause infection. However, parts of the virus can still be identified by body's immune system and can trigger an immune reaction. What is Covaxin and how was it developed? The vaccine candidate was developed by BBIL in collaboration with the National Institute of Virology. NIV isolated a strain of the novel coronavirus from an asymptomatic COVID-19 patient and transferred it into BBIL early in May. The firm then used it to work on developing an inactivated vaccine, a vaccine that uses the dead virus at its high containment facility in Hyderabad. Study material. Covaxin then underwent preclinical testing on animals such as guinea pigs and mice to see if it is safe before the firm approached the CDSC for approval to move on to the human trials. What does the approval mean for India? The Drug Controller General of India, who heads CDSCO, has given BBL approvals for Phase 1 and 2 clinical trials. This brings India's first step closer to finalizing a domestically developed COVID-19 vaccine at a time when the country's cases continue to surge. Phases. The first phase, usually conducted on a small group, tries to find what dosage of the vaccine is safe for use, whether it is effective in building their immunity to the virus, and whether there are side effects. The second phase is conducted on a group of hundreds of persons fitting the description of those for whom the vaccine is intended, using characteristics like age and sex. This phase tests how effective the vaccine is on the population group being studied. How many more stages of testing would the vaccine have to go through before approval? Vaccines, like most new drugs, are meant to follow a testing process of 4 stages, starting with preclinical tests and ending with Phase 3 studies conducted on thousands of patients. After approval from the regulator, the firm has to continue monitoring the use of its vaccine on patients and submit post-marketing surveillance details, which checks for any long-term unintended adverse effect. How does Covaxin compare to other vaccine candidates around the world? Covaxin has reached a more advanced stage of testing than 2 other vaccine candidates that collaboration. BBIL is developing through global collaborations, one in collaboration with Thomas Jefferson University and the other with the University of Wisconsin-Madison and vaccine maker Flugen. Status. The early result in the first 50 people who received the vaccine candidate appears to be encouraging, according to a comment from the trial's principal investigator. The Indian Council of Medical Research has reported this candidate has entered Phase 2 trials. As per reports, the vaccine is safe. We have not observed any adverse events in any of the volunteers at our site, said Savita Verma, the principal investigator who is leading the trial at PGI Rohtak, told the publication. Investigators are collecting blood samples to test the immunogenicity of the vaccine and expect to complete the trials by the end of August, the report said. Even though another nations like Russia are trying to take a risk, but our country trying to preventing a risk. Anyway, this vaccine will create a milestone in Indian medical history. Let's wait for this miracle. Thank you. Have a nice day.